Welcome to Akihabara, guys. This place is nuts. It's a complete sensory overload. This is our beginner's guide to Akihabara with kids. It's Tina from Hungry by Nature. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel for more Japan with kids content. Without further ado, let's take you to the best spots in Akihabara. This is a retro arcade game center hidden in the back alleyways of Akihabara. So if you're into retro games, this is the place to come. There's a lot of other places to choose from, like Taito City or SEGA, which all have state-of-the-art new modern games. But if this is what you love, and you love like a bit of Street Fighter, a bit of like vintage games, this is where you gotta come.
Mega Man X. Wow, I used to play that in my time. So at Super Potato, they actually also have old school console games and games for sale, which is really nostalgic. It's pretty awesome to be here. So all things anime, you have to come to Animate, which is just along the main strip of Akihabara. And this is like 8 floors of just constant anime. You got DVDs, mangas, you got different cards and games to collect. It's simply amazing. There's so much to see here. Guys, don't take the stairs. It's freaking tiring as. Hello?
Yeah.
How you doing?
Good.
You're not tired at all?
No.
No?
Just a little tip, guys, the best time to come to Akihabara is at night when the lights come on, it comes to life. I mean, it is pretty alive during the day too, but this is when it just becomes absolutely mind-blowing. And I definitely come here with the kids too, whether you want to come after dinner or something like that, when they're a bit more settled, bring them here, check out the lights, check out the arcades at night and all the shops. It's just like a sensory overload and really good fun. Come at night. Daytime's fun too, but come at night. When you come out of Akihabara Station is Radio Center. This is the OG of all radio places where you'll find electronics, radios and vintage radio tech stuff. Roger Flo coming in. What are your coordinates? Nothing. So there's a lot of unique items to be found here, which is really awesome. I mean, look at this collection of walkie-talkies alone.
All of a sudden it rains over me. All we ever wanted was crossing our ways tonight.
And then hold it. No, we are not taking this home.
Oh my
and
God,
no,
this is humongous.
this is as big as our suitcase. No.
Hey, we got extra 2 suitcases.
If you're coming to Akihabara, you probably won't miss Yodabashi electronic department store. It's basically an electronic department store on steroids. If you're a tourist, you get tax-free on goods that you buy, and there's also a lot of other discounts you can get, like you can get Visa discounts if you're paying with a Visa card as well. So there's lots of benefits buying electronic goods right here. Plus the variety is absolutely huge, and they have some of the newest stuff in the tech market as well. But the absolute highlight, guys, is the kids' toy department. I mean, it's not even really for kids' toys. It's basically big adult kids like Andy, who loves Gunpla as well. So you've got lots of adults coming here looking at Gundam that they can build, and you've got heaps of kids running around as well. This is the biggest toy section I have ever seen, and if you're coming here to Japan or to Tokyo with kids, you got to bring them up here to the toy department. You probably won't leave without a fight, but it's totally worth it. Everyone's going to have a really good time. Next up on our Akihabara for Beginners guide, we've got Gachapon Hall. As if the gachapon lined up on the streets and in department stores wasn't enough, this store is entirely dedicated to those little coin vending machines where you get those toys called gachapon in Japan. And you know what? Kids love them, adults love them. It's just like Kinder Surprise all day, every day. Kind of just spend your money without knowing it, because all you do is just ding, 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 ding. Anyway, we're gonna go inside and take a look what they have.
Wands, they got the different wands.
So most of these vending machines, these gachapons, you'll get one of these little surprises for 300 yen, depending on what you're into. They've got, so far I've seen Chucky, Harry Potter, a bunch of stuff I don't know, Pokemon as well. So it's about 300, 400 for more cooler stuff like a battleship thing that you can build over there. So yeah, this store has got the gachapon works. They got so much gachapon, the store wouldn't fit all of it that they had to put it next to the lift. We should check out the toilets. They might even have gachapon in the toilets, who knows. They've even got food ones, so this okonomiyaki one's only 200. It's like a keychain with all like different types of okonomiyaki toppings, or your favorite sashimis, or even oysters, your favorite. Andy, you should get some.
I'm rocking the oysters tonight.
What is that, a fishing rod gachapon?
You know, if you ever need to go fishing, it's an emergency
Totally.
rod. Yeah, that's cheap.
If you need a toaster or a coffee maker, you can get a gachapon for that too. And that was our beginner's guide to Akihabara with kids. Now bear in mind, there is so much more to see here that we haven't covered. You just need to go up and explore it yourself. Before we jet off, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell to keep up to date with all of our latest Japan videos with kids. Like this video if you found it helpful in planning your trip to Japan with kids. Anyways, we're gonna explore some more Japan now, so we'll catch you in the next one. Look, you only need mummy, okay? You don't need girls in your life. Girls just do your head in, especially girls like Wonder Woman. I'm your girl.
Bye.
Hey.